Good morning, Legends. It's our second last Tuesday before exam break, and your favorite broadcasting team has some awesome announcements for you. Stay tuned to hear from Grad Council, Athletics, Student Supports, and more. But first, don't forget to check out our wonderful broadcasting team for today right here. And as always, a big thank you to the Lillian Osborne Parents Association for all their help with LOHSTV. Now, let's roll that intro.
Happy Tuesday, Legends. I'm Crystal Sue.
And I'm Bernice Tang, and these are your fantastic announcements and a one-cam desk special for Tuesday, June 2nd, 2026. From Student Supports, need a refresher for your diploma course? Check out all the Diploma Prep sessions available for you to sign up for by going to lohs.ca/src under the Academic Supports tab. Good luck with your exams, Legends!
Let's get straight into today's announcements for athletics. From athletics, yesterday we saw over 175 student athletes come pick up Athletic Banquet tickets and LO swag. If you haven't gotten your ticket yet, they are available again today in the sportsman room, at lunch, and after school. Tickets will not be handed out tomorrow due to the modified schedule and graduation celebrations. If you have any questions, please see Ms Greabeiel.
And all Metro sports were canceled yesterday as a result of the wonderful weather. Women's soccer and slow pitch playoff games were rescheduled for today, but it's looking very doubtful they will be happening as planned. There will be no games tomorrow due to grad, so athletes on these teams plus men's flag football should be prepared to play on Thursday and Friday this week.
And from Phys Ed, congrats to Fox FC for winning yesterday's intramural final. The team captained by Timmy defeated Gabe Kim's soccer aid team by 6-3. Great job by all the teams over the past 2.5 months for their commitment to playing.
From Grad Council, happy Senioritis Day class of 2026. Today is all about embracing the senior slump. So come dressed in your comfiest lazy day outfits and enjoy the fun. Make sure to grab your money and stop by the Druid's Dirty Soda Truck outside at lunch today to grab a drink with your friends. And don't forget, Senior Splash has been moved to Tuesday, June 9th after school. Dressed in beach-themed attire and join us on the field for water activities. Be sure to keep an eye out on Instagram for rules and important information coming soon. Looks like grad season is in full swing.
From Ms ALBISTON and the GSA, this week the Edmonton Public School Board and Lillian Osborne are celebrating Pride Week. As a part of our Pride Week activities, come on down to the library today at lunch for a special magic performance by Jay Flair Magic. Bring your lunch and bring a friend.
And now, time for Quiz Whiz. Let's get this show on the road, Legends. You guys better put your thinking caps on for the brand new question of the day. Yesterday's answer was C, Stonewall Riots, and the wonderful teacher winner was the amazing Miss Wong. Now let's get into today's question. The original Pride flag was created in 1978 by artist and activist Gilbert Baker. Though there are many different versions of the Pride flag today, how many colored stripes appear on the original flag? Was it A, 6, B, 8, C, 7, or D, 9? Teachers, talk it over with your class and lock in your answer.
And that's it for today's announcements. Check the description down below for any codes or links from today's broadcast. Don't forget to check School Zone and follow us on Instagram and X at LOHS_Legends. Remember to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon.
And as always, check out the Student Solidarity Committee's Instagram post to see their research on current events. Click on hashtag LOHS_SSC to stay up to date. And for LOHS TV, I'm Bernice Tang.
And I'm Crystal Sue. And just remember,
be legendary.